Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is user activity for the past 30 days. We need to find the daily active users for the specific 30-day period. For example, we have a table activity and the user ID 1 was active on 20th July. We have 3 rows because there are different activity types. On the same day, user ID 2 was also active. We also have 3 rows with 3 different activity types. We should read this as 2 users on 20th July. On 21st of July, we have user ID 2 and user ID 3. We don't return anybody from the 25th of June because it's not in the 30-day period. Let's solve it in SQL. First, we write the select keyword. Then we indicate from which table. Then we filter the data for the specific 30-day period. Activity date should be after 27th of June and before 27th of July. Now we group the results by the activity date. In the output, we display the activity date as day and we count the distinct user IDs. Now we can run it. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we indicate the range of 30 days. We need a start date and the end date. Now we apply the filter. Now we group by date and count unique users. So we take the filtered data frame, write the keyword group by, indicate that the column we group by is activity date, and we need user ID to count the unique numbers. As usually, we put the reset index. All this we save in the variable stats. Now let's rename the columns to match the output requirements. So we create the variable result. We take the data frame stats that we just created, and the keyword is rename column. And here we put the original column mapping to date. Original column user ID we want to display as active users. Now we are ready to return the result. Let's run it. And we successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? SQL group by or Pandas group by? Let me know in the comments.